Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about what a woman has to offer in a relationship. Yes, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. To book a one-on-one appointment for counseling, go to noraarake.com/booking, and to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, when I say woman, I'm talking about an alpha woman. Who is an alpha woman? This is a lady, a woman, a strong woman, hardworking woman, intelligent woman, slightly intimidating, who lives her life to the fullest. That's the woman we are talking about here. And what has she have to offer in a relationship? You don't have to get intimidated by the alpha woman. She has a lot to offer in a relationship. And number one is stability. An alpha woman is not a moody drama queen. She's not these women who are impossible to please. She is an even-tempered, logical human being who doesn't feel the need to be the center of attraction, the center of attention for a man. She has no problem handling conflicts and issues as they arise. And she doesn't create the problems herself. And also doesn't blow them out of proportion when they arise. You know these women, when something small happens and they want the whole world involved in it, they blow the whole thing out of proportion. They turn a spoon of sand into a mountain of stones. So because of this, the alpha woman makes a great partner. She is a stable partner. She likes her life to go on as smoothly as possible. Therefore, she doesn't create problems for you. Number two, loyalty. She is fiercely loyal to her partner. Alpha women are never unfaithful to their partners because dishonesty is repulsive to us, alpha women. If we make a commitment, we stick to it. We mean what we say, and we will stay loyal to you no matter how far you are from us. And if for some reason we need to end things, we do just that. No need to sneak around. Next, an alpha woman will give you all the straightforward answers you want about something. Because you know what? She doesn't have time to go on cutting corners and beating around the bush about something. So you won't get answers like, I don't know. So what do you want us to do? She knows exactly what she wants when asked a question. An alpha woman knows exactly what they want to eat, knows exactly which movie they want to watch. She knows where she wants to go. She knows where she wants to hang out. She knows where she wants you to touch. She knows where she wants you to take her. She knows what she wants. When something is wrong, an alpha woman won't dance around it for weeks and months, letting the tension to build. She will address it there and then. She will talk about it, and she won't let you shut her down. When she wants to say something, she will say just that. Listen, an alpha woman is a problem solver. That's why she wants to get things solved immediately, things dealt with immediately. She won't sit around and let things fester. Number four, Open-mindedness. An alpha woman likes routine for the sake of organization, but she will not hesitate or refuse to try new things. She enjoys adventure and going on epic quests. Look, life will never be boring and stale and lifeless when you have an adventurous, epic alpha woman with you. An alpha woman will never shut you down when you know about something. When she doesn't, she will sit and listen to you. She will have no problem learning from you. She doesn't pretend to know everything. What she doesn't know, she wants to learn. Number 5, 24/7 support. An alpha woman has a lot of energy. That is why she has more energy even to help you, to support you when you need it the most. We won't stand up to the side while you struggle. We are the types of women who jump right into the mess with you and help dig you out, no matter how deep of a brown mess you are in. And later, we shall then find out how on earth you got into that mess. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below. Leave me a comment in the comment section and share this video. Someone out there wants to watch it, needs it. Number 6, glowing confidence. An alpha woman genuinely loves herself, likes herself, and our egos are just fine. She won't ask you if she's fat or ugly or short, and definitely won't sulk if another girl hits on you at the bar. She will definitely and probably sit there and agree with her as she tells you you are hot and nice and fine, because you probably are. Number 7, full of humor. She has her act together and she's a force to be reckoned with. But that doesn't mean she is opposed to fat jokes and teasing. She doesn't take herself too seriously and she likes laughing. She will laugh until her muscles burn. A sense of humor is a necessity in life, and we enjoy using it to the full extent. And you men who keep saying women don't have anything to offer, who don't have anything to offer, it depends on the women you mingle with. You have looked at the alpha woman, what type of woman she is. So if you mingle with a whore, of course you will get satisfaction in bed only, because that's what she knows and that's what she does. If you engage with a slay queen, what do you expect? She will slay your bank accounts. But an alpha woman is a woman of integrity. She will encourage you. She will empathize with you. She will be there for you. Number 9, an alpha woman is a woman who is God-fearing. She will lead you to God. She will help you know God. She will help you get closer to God. She might not be a religious fanatic, but she knows God. She knows how valuable God is. She puts God first, and she will help you do just that. Number 10, she is outgoing, hardworking, but also domestic. This is a woman who knows how to build a home. She knows that she has to have food on your table before you get back. It's not a must that she has to physically do it, but she will find ways of getting it done. An alpha woman is a domestic woman. Number 11. An alpha woman is economic. She is a good planner. She won't just splash money here and there. She won't spend on things that are not important. She will put money, and she will help you put money where you need to put money, not just spending money aimlessly and anyhowly. She will help grow your pockets, she will help grow your projects, and she will help you out economically and financially. It's not a must that she will have to give you money, although she can give you the money. But whether she gives you money or not, she will help you grow from zero to hero. That is what we are talking about. What do I mean? She is magnanimous. So number 12, an alpha woman has love to offer in a relationship. That's all. All she wants is love. So all she will give is love. All she wants is love. So all she will give is love in all corners. She is loving, she is kind, she is caring. She is understanding, she is there. She is rare. That's an alpha woman. And thus, women have something to offer in a relationship. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share the video. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Thank you. I love you. Bye.